Acts of kindness, CCC Because We Care Foundation supporters. We've just received something remarkable. $5,000 donation from Newman Investment Holdings, getting us closer to reaching our $15,000 fundraising goal. Helping these underprivileged youth from Bates Academy in Detroit, Michigan, travel to Chicago on their 8th grade trip. My opportunity to say thank you. All of our supporters and those that have donated, thank you. Without your support, these amazing students from Detroit, Michigan are not going to have the opportunity of travel as that we're giving them with this generosity. Acts of kindness. We are so thrilled for the donations and the opportunity. And tomorrow live at 7 p.m., we'll be going live, giving things away, learning about the CCC Because We Care team. And we can't emphasize enough how much it means for the acts of kindness of the community. Just my why of CCC Because We Care Foundation, just getting the chance of a lifetime to be able to share the opportunity of wealth and travel with the world. Being able to donate, and how you would do that is going to cccwecare.com as shown here on the screen, or you can actually scan the code right here on the screen. To get started of an act of kindness, just a $20 donation will get you a ticket into the auction. But the great thing is the opportunity to grow with all of the different entrepreneurs that have donated thus far to our initiative. Special thank you, of course, to co-founder Enika Gaines with Gaines Family Services, a tax preparer here in Detroit, Michigan, donating a free tax preparing service for those that are in the auction tomorrow. Special thank you to Carmen Mays for donating a free spiritual reading for her company, Exalted Moon Wellness, and being able to get an opportunity to see extra and see more. It's more than us here in the world. Special thank you again for the $5,000 donation from Newman Investment Holdings. Thank you for helping us get closer to our goal. And thank you to SMA Good Deeds Foundation for coming on board to support this initiative and letting us know that it's good deeds that have acts of kindness, and us working together will help us reach our goals. So how do you donate? Literally scan the QR code that's here on the screen, or go to www.cccwecare.com. And once you get to the website, as you can see, the countdown timer is going. You would literally click the link here to join the acts of kindness, join the change community by providing your email address. Once you actually click the link, as you can see, you'll be able to receive a link and come live at 7 p.m. as I'm live daily on Facebook and YouTube, just helping entrepreneurs reach their financial goals, going through organic and paid traffic. And the opportunity now is just amazing to grow and to be the best you can be. And now having to just expand, not your mindset just for your goals of marketing, but being able to help other people with your foundation. I was literally working on getting out of our live yesterday as moving into Ad Labs, a new program where they have paid advertising, sharing the opportunity of getting your message out to different audiences and targets, and with the #1 meta expert in the world, Rick Shabrika. Ad Labs, the social science, it's just literally going to change the game in regards to advertising. If you've been in organic marketing like I have over the past year and been doing things consistently, and to have a simple way to have a straightforward goal for you to reach your billionaire plan. The billionaire mindset, it starts with you. And so having these acts of kindness and having this foundation fundraiser going on during this time where, still building, still learning, getting all the education. The idea of being able to grow the next time we have our acts of kindness donation program, just sharing the acts of kindness of CCC Because We Care Foundation because of our initiatives. Acts of kindness being one of our programs that we have random acts of kindness to help those in random areas of life. It could be personal, it could be business, and it could be sending some 8th graders on their 8th grade trip from Bates Academy. We have our work and learning experience program where we're going to take all of these skills that we're learning with taxes and mortgages, with life insurance, with consulting as a digital marketer, having your own nonprofit organization, being a consultant, helping all these entrepreneurs reach their vision with understanding the maximum opportunities online available with organic and paid traffic, showing people all of the journey and taking the next step with our work and learning experience program in CCC Because We Care Foundation. Oh yes, we're just getting started. And we have our holiday gifting program that we do every year, where we, during the holiday season, if there's someone in need, gift cards, toys, donations, food, that's what we do. Help those in need. Acts of kindness. If you know anything about being an act of kindness, life's too short. I was literally talking to my friend yesterday. Her mother passed away. One of my friends told me from high school, and her mother passed away. And it touched me because her mother is close to the same age as mine. Time is short. We're not going to be here in 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 years like we imagine. Sometimes we don't even know. But what we do know is we have right now. And what you can do right now is help yourself first. Now, if you have a passion, if you're waiting and just waiting on the wait, waiting on the question, your time is now. Your time is now in the opportunity to take advantage of an online space that you have to just build your confidence enough to have the ability to keep going and learning and growing and being the best you can be. But with the little small things that you learn with 1% daily and building a community of like-minded entrepreneurs where the goal is not just to have 10,000 per month or just to leave your 9-to-5 job. It's creating a relationship and a lifetime bond. I mean, enjoy the journey as much as the destination. The people that you meet along the way, you don't forget, you remember. And you have that passion and understanding and growth. And you want everyone that has a positive mindset of action and moving forward to be in your circle. But those that it's not going to be for everyone. You're going to lose friends. You're going to lose family. You're going to lose people that just don't understand your passion on the way. But as long as you are doing the best that you can do for your why, nothing even matters, because the only thing matters, because God made you, is to be the best you can be. So all I want to share with you, there's still time to donate to my why, CCC Because We Care Foundation, as we have a passion for education and research and learning and sharing that message with others to understand the opportunities available to you as you take action. So how you donate again is on the screen, or go to www.cccwecare.com and follow the passion and join us live tomorrow at 7 p.m. on Facebook and YouTube to be able to show the acts of kindness and appreciating the assistance and growth and collaborating with like-minded entrepreneurs and individuals in the community, because you can't do it by yourself. As a community, it takes a village to raise a child. It takes more than one program to get it where your goals are, because the billionaire plan with CCC Because We Care Foundation, that's all I got to say. Let's go.